Praveen Kumar Thakre. I hail from Baitul, Madhya Pradesh, and I'm mechanical engineering graduate. Currently, I'm working at SD Global Services India as a associate software engineer. Initially, I started learning coding myself, but I lacked the discipline required for it. So I started looking for some way to upscale my skills, and I stumbled upon 10x Academy in my searches for some platform, and I attended the webinar and looked through the website, and I think it will be good for me. So I went to in the beginning, it was very difficult because I'm from non-coding background. It was very difficult in the beginning to get in the gear for the mind, problem solving mentality. But the mentors were patient and very helpful. And with the help of mentors in practice session or in lecture session, with the help of mentors, I was able to gain the knowledge rapidly and work my way through most of the DSA problems. Yeah, as I said, one-on-one mentoring session was absolute best. It not only provided me the opportunity to interact with other mentors which have some experience in the industry. It also helped me build a communication base that I previously lacked. Mock interviews provided me an opportunity to get what is the correct way to approach the interviews and with confidence also. It provided me to rate myself and approach my placement interview very confidently. The placement team was very helpful from setting up the interview meeting to after getting placed processes. Yeah, 10x Academy has been my association with them has been very fruitful for me. I am satisfied. So they delivered what they promised. So the mentors were very helpful, and the curriculum was very structured and smooth. Yeah.